The next supplication, which will be discussed, is found in chapter 2, verse 129.
Our Lord, and send among them a messenger from themselves, who will recite to them your verses, and teach them the book, and wisdom, and purify them.
The first thing to note is that this supplication was manifested centuries later. So Muslims should understand that even though Allah, the Exalted, has guaranteed to respond to each supplication when its conditions and etiquettes have been fulfilled, He will do so when it is best for the supplicator, not according to their own timetable. If Allah, the Exalted, responded according to the desires of people, it in most cases would lead to a negative outcome for them. This has been indicated in chapter 17, verse 11.
And man supplicates for evil as he supplicates for good, and man is ever hasty.
One should therefore never give up, and persist in supplicating, as giving up is a thing which can cause one's supplication to be rejected. This has been warned in a narration found in Sunnah, Ibn Majah, number 3853. In addition, it is extremely vital to understand that the book and wisdom mentioned in this verse, which refers to the Holy Quran, and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, will only purify a person when they are acted on. Merely accepting their divine origins, or listening to them, without acting on them, will not lead to the purification of one's body or soul. Muslims must study these divine teachings, and strive to act on them, so that they fulfill the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refrain from His prohibitions, and face destiny with patience. Only then is success in both worlds possible. This is quite evident, as the companions, may Allah be pleased with them, understood these divine teachings better than anyone else, and they did not merely study them, without acting on them. In fact, they acted on them with more enthusiasm than anyone else. It is one of the main reasons why they are the best group ever created, after the holy prophets, peace be upon them. The one who possesses knowledge without acting on it has been described in chapter 62, verse 5.
The example of those who were entrusted with the Torah and then did not take it on is like that of a donkey who carries volumes of books